Hey friends, don't mind me, I'm oily, but I got another one for you. We're going to talk about it. So this was on the Ricky Smiley Morning Show, and it says NBA player PJ Washington is taking a lot of heat right now. The Charlotte Hornets player has allegedly been hit with paying $200,000 a month in child support to his ex, Brittany, allegedly. It says Brittany did a video and said athletes are dumb. If you want to get a bag, get an athlete because they don't wrap it up. Social media is saying she trapped him on purpose. Is this fair or not? So the discussion is, do we think it's fair that she deliberately set out to have sex with an athlete to get a baby so she can get a bag? Do y'all think it's fair? I'm going to answer this question coming from where I come from. I'm a little seasoned, a little aged, a little seasoned. Okay? Y'all may not agree with me, but she ain't wrong. And if I knew, if there is reincarnation, I'm going to tell y'all right now, if there is reincarnation and I come back knowing what I know now, okay? I'm going to follow her theory. Period. They dumb behind if they run around here sleeping with the video vixens and the party girls and not strapping it up. That's on them. Where's the responsibility that's put on the man? Why is everything always the woman's fault? Why are you out here running pillar to post, having parties or whatever you doing allegedly and not protecting yourself? If that's not what you want to pay. It takes two to tango. You have a brain. God gave it to you. Use it. You don't want to use it? I'm going to get this bag. This is about a land. Okay? You know, I ain't saying neither person right or wrong. How I feel about life, and like I say, I'm seasoned. I done lived. How I feel about life, get your bag how you can get it. As long as you ain't killing nobody, stealing, or hurting nobody. Get your bag how you can get it. I'm not hurting you. This pie ain't free. You ran up in here thinking it was just a free open door or whatever you thought it was, baby. This pie come with bills. Woo. This pie come with responsibilities, okay? Ain't no free pie around here. That's the problem with men. That's the problem with men. You think you could just run up in whatever you want to run up in and ain't no consequences and repercussions. Now, the downside to this is, okay, let's say it. We all gonna say it. I might be willing to take that chance. That's all I'm saying. The downside to this is STDs and other things that you may get. You just gotta dribble and shoot. You just gotta pray. You just gotta pray. Pray, and pray some more. And pray some more. Now, I would not do a rapper. I'm going to tell y'all why I wouldn't do a rapper if I was trying to secure a bag. I would not do a rapper because their money's not guaranteed. Okay, let me explain what I mean by that. You could be a one-hit wonder. You could rap for the day and tomorrow nobody feeling you no more. You know, athletes are different. They have contracts. They got bonuses. They got guaranteed money. And I also feel like sometimes judges look at athletes differently. You know, athletes are going to pay. If they stay healthy and don't get hurt, they're going to get on a team. They're going to be an independent agent. They're going to get picked up. They're going to have the money. Rappers are different. Nobody has to sign you, and you can get signed and get dropped. You can get signed and not make money. I'm just saying, for me, if I was going to secure a bag, it would be an athlete. It would definitely not be a rapper. Would y'all secure a bag? I'm just saying, if y'all would, with an actor. Because actors can be guaranteed money. And we have also seen it where these men, allegedly Halle Berry, allegedly Mary J, allegedly some other women, end up paying these men. And I wholeheartedly feel like the men did that on purpose. I do. Halle Berry meets you. She allegedly makes more than you. You a model. She's a known actress making money. Y'all have a kid together. You probably had no intentions on ever having a life with Halle Berry, but who doesn't want to say they was married to Halle Berry? And you leave, and now you want all of this money. The men do it too. The men do it too. So stop bashing women. Oh, women doing this, women doing that, women doing this, women going after men for a bag, women sleep with men for money. So what? Why y'all trying to run up in every woman y'all can run up in? Maybe y'all need to stop doing that. Maybe y'all men need to stop sleeping with every floozy that open her legs to you. Maybe y'all need to stop doing that. How about them apples? Because it's not always the woman's fault. If you're going to be dumb, I'm going to capitalize off of it. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. That's just the bottom line to what I'm saying. Why not? Why not? And these women out here, they just got it down pat. Like, they scope out athletes. They scope out who they want. They get into these events and these parties, and they know what they're going to do. And I don't knock her. I don't blame her. And is it fair? Yes. Because why is it fair that men can go have these type of parties or events, sleep with all these different women, and not have any consequences to it? Why is that fair? You're basically using women because you're an athlete. Because some of y'all so ugly. If you were an athlete, you wouldn't be getting the women that you're getting. You wouldn't be sleeping with the women that you're sleeping with. You going to bars, you going to strip clubs after the game or whatever, you flashing your money, you flashing who you are. You're using who you are to sleep with women, and that's all you're using it for. You have no intentions on building a relationship. First of all, sexual encounter, people don't realize that I feel, and not even to get biblically or spiritually, but I feel like sex is not made for you to just be having with everybody and just to have because her legs are open, because his legs are open. That's not what it's for. It is, you're mixing, it is a connection. It is a tie to someone. You know, you it's not for you to just be out here like, oh, you do that, oh, you do that, okay, let's do that. It happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. One night stands happen, friends with benefits happen, it happens. Why is it the female's fault? No, it's not her fault. Is it fair? Yes, it's fair, because she didn't put a gun to his head. He was a willing participant. He could have used protection. He tricked. How was you tricked? How was you tricked? You could have used protection. Life isn't fair. Get over it. So do I think it was fair? Yes, I do. He made a choice. He made a decision, and you have to pay for every decision that you make. You have to pay for every decision that you make in life. Small, big, short, tall. You have to pay for every decision that you make in life. And so you're sleeping with different women that you don't know, barely know. Now, they said his ex. So I don't know if that means that they may have at least dated for 6 months to a year, long enough for her to do this. Maybe she broke up with him when she got pregnant because that was her only motive. We don't know yet, because that's all it pretty much said. But whatever it was, he had a choice in this situation as well. So I don't put the blame on her. I will say that, like I said, if I can come back to this world again, learning from what I know now, knowing what I know now, and learning. I heard someone say before that they don't believe that there's a heaven or hell. I thought about what they said. They said that they believe that you were put on this earth to learn a lesson. And depending on, and you come back. So that's reincarnation or whatever. But what did they say? I think they said that they believe that you keep coming back until you learn the lessons of life that you were supposed to learn. But they never said what happens once you have actually learned your lesson. Because to me, I believe that life is a lesson, a big lesson, and then you die. Because I believe you spend your whole life learning stuff. You spend your whole life experiencing things. You spend your whole life learning lessons, what you should and should not do. You go through life learning lessons. And you get the next day, if you're blessed with it, to get up and try it again and try to do the right thing or try to make the right moves. It's a lesson. So I always say life is nothing but a big lesson, and hopefully you get to enjoy it while you're in it, and then you're gone. So if we come back, I would be happy to come back. I probably would come back the same individual, hair, nails, whatever, because that's who I am. Like internally, that's who I am. So I would come back, but I would do things so much differently. The men I would choose, the things I would do, the career path, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all feel the same way. I would do things so differently. And I would do it differently in my younger years. I would do it differently in my younger years. I would. But if I had a chance to secure a bag with an athlete, I would do it. And if he felt like that wasn't fair, that would be his business, because he need to stop being a big baby and grow up, because you felt like it was fair when we was doing the do. That was fair. Give me my bag. That's all I'm saying. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I gotta go pay attention to this road.